want the remix? Call me. You don't believe it? Call me. You don't agree with? Call me. You the one I wanna be with.
So, this is after I cut the lace and did something really dumb. I put makeup on the lace and then, oh, wait for it, hold on. Then I freaking put Got To Be, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on going because why not? First of all, yes, as I said earlier, this is my first time attempting to even do such a thing. I mean, I made a video before. I'm put the link, you know, to see my improvement. I'm trying. But this is my first time trying to pluck a hairline, first of all. I was just trying to be all professional, you know. And yeah, it's just I spent $80, so like it can't be a fail because that's my hard-earned money. So we're gonna push through this, you know, and this is gonna be a video, a wig review / lesson review. Okay, so here I am brushing out the hair and showing the sides of the lace, and it doesn't look too bad, but I expected more. And you see it shedding too still. I feel like that's from me plucking it and because of the texture of the hair, because it's mixed hair, but it's also thick, and I was tweezing it, so yeah, I just wanted it thoroughly brushed out before I styled it. And at that point, my arms are hurting. I decided to use Got To Be to glue down the sides and do the edges too, because that's all I really had at the moment. So I also noticed that I need to start using a blow dryer to let the sides dry, because as I was brushing it, I felt the lace coming up. So that's also why I keep brushing it and looking and checking so I don't brush the whole wig off. And you see the side just came up again. And I'm trying to cover the tab too and figure out how I'm gonna style the baby hairs. I tried to do it on the wig head, but yeah, that didn't work out. So here I am, you know. I also use a little bit of Eco Style too, because that helps me like lay it at first, and then I do the Got To Be to secure it completely. Okay, what lace? That lace right there. So, my fault, I'm sorry. It's hair everywhere. This wig sheds a lot. So if you like a lot of hair, then this is the perfect wig for you. So, first of all, the name of this wig is, sorry for the light, but it's Hair Topic is the brand, and then it's Wide Lace Human Hair Blend. The style number is, I believe, HB Brazilian Wide Lace 511. And this is a picture, you know. This is the box it came in, which is the top lid, but yeah. It's a cute box. I had one of their other wigs before. I think it was 510. And basically the difference was it was straight and I had it in black. And that was my first time with the brand. And at the, I don't know, like the availability, like the flexibility of the lace, like, you know, it's from here to here and like to here, so 13 by 4. It's pretty good. Like, I like parting my lace wherever I want, so for that I liked it. But it's other things like it being wide lace, you know, when you part it, it's like, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show. Let me get the glasses. You know, I got my glasses so I can see again, you know. Hold on. Bruh. Let me stop. Okay. This is the length. Honestly, I really don't know how long this is, to be honest, but I'm like 5'5", and this is touching my back, so I don't know right now. But yeah, this is it parted in the middle, you know. I guess it doesn't look that bad. you know, if I'm lying to myself, let me lie to myself, you know. Remember, I spent $80, so I gotta make it work. But I just feel like this would be an awesome wig if it didn't have the tabs, a little bit more parting space, and it was a little bit less like full. Like, it's, yeah, I don't know if it's doing this because I tweezed it, but yeah. This is it in the middle part. See, it's like still full even if I had thinned it out. And it's just like, me personally, I am always on the go, either at work or school, and I like to not be worrying about if my hair is napping up during the day. Like, I just want to be on the go. So you see all that work I just did just to brush it out. Put this one on my ear. Yeah, I'm so sad because like this wig could be so cute, but I was wilding with the plucking like a lot. And yeah, this is, I gotta go. It's gotta go. It definitely has to go. I might have to cut some lace off, or at least because that just can't be showing. Like, I just didn't cut all the lace off because I don't know, when I'm doing baby hairs, I've found like in some wigs, I don't know, it looks better when the lace is not all cut off because then it's just like straight forehead. So for how it was gonna come out, like I knew it was gonna be, you know, something amazing, but I was really stressing about this wig and I'm just not feeling it. Maybe if, when you try to make yourself feel better, maybe if, you know, the lace was see-through, it would look better. I don't know. I'm just not feeling that I can see the actual lace. Like, that's a no. So I'm gonna try to fix it, and you know, if enough people be like, oh, they want to update to see how the wig holds up, so you know, I might make another video or whatever. Nah, I don't know. I highly doubt anybody's want to see this wig after what I just said, but you know, you never know. So let me know what you think about this video, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.